Hello, today I'm in Volkswagen Beetle. In this video I'll show you how to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. In the beginning, let's prepare your USB cable to the smartphone and then insert it to the car. Now, when the cable is connected with the car, connect it with your smartphone. As you can see, right now my smartphone is available. Let's select Android Auto and press OK. Tap Continue, and Android Auto is successfully set up. Now you can go to Maps, Spotify, Phone, Settings, and Menu. In Menu you can enter Volkswagen, Calendar, Discord, and many other apps. You can basically manage your smartphone thanks to this function and help yourself while driving by using Maps or Volkswagen app. And that's basically it. The process is the same for the Apple AirPlay. To disconnect with the car, simply plug out the cable. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.